Hello, welcome. This is blockchainbloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinke, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that Bitcoin actually looking bullish right now. Today, we are above 109,000 US dollar. Also, let's talk about the fact that the bull flag is kind of forming. Well, when we're looking at the inflows into Bitcoin spot ETFs, that's kind of growing. And we have the very first Solana ETF in the US with staking. There we have another company which is doing the same strategy, what MicroStrategy, but with Solana. So a lot of interesting things in this video. So guys, let's hit it. Don't forget, every single day I'm bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchainbloom to keep you up to date. So that's important. Simply just subscribe to this YouTube channel. As you can see, I'm not in the office right now because in this month I'm spending my holiday with my family. So long videos I'm going to have less during the week. I will have almost every day like short videos, keep you up to date, and after end of July I will be back into the office and doing the normal thing. But now let's jump into the topics. So, well, as you can see, Bitcoin is above 109,000 US dollar. So Bitcoin is holding itself pretty well. We had this war situation between Iran and Israel. Basically, Bitcoin went all the way down to 100,000. Even the daily, it closed always above 100,000. And now it's still coming back. As you can see, it is forming a falling wedge, which is definitely a bullish pattern. And when you're looking at the yellow line, we're just breaking out, as you can see. So if this break would be confirmed, this is also actually a flag. If I would put another line for the first part of the bull flag, it can form a perfect bull flag, and we may be just breaking out. So it's important to watch. Nothing is for certain, but this could be a possibility, as Bitcoin is sideways for a couple of months already. So it's time actually for another leg up. I don't know what you think about this. You can let me know in the comment section. And actually, if we're looking at every post-halving year since 2013, July and August altogether were always green, and the average gains were like 37% in 60 days. So if this pattern going to continue, then simply we can have a very nice summer, July and August. When we're looking at the inflows into Bitcoin spot ETF, you can see that yes, on the 1st of July, we had 342 million US dollar outflow. But if you're looking at before it, or even just like yesterday, we keep having inflows, major inflows, to be honest with you. So it looks like the market is kind of bullish. When it comes to ETFs, not Bitcoin, not Ethereum, but in the United States, then we have now Rex Osprey Solana ETF, which includes staking. And this is definitely a new chapter. If we're looking at this, the SEC probably going to improve more crypto related ETFs during until the end of the year. But this was definitely a major step. Actually, 12 million US dollar was the inflow on the first day. It's a bit less than expected, but definitely we have started actually something. And when it comes to Solana, there is a company, for example, this one, DeFi Development Corporation, and they stacking Solana. They're doing the same what strategy is doing with Bitcoin. So this could be also interesting. What if not Bitcoin will be the only one what companies are stacking, but other altcoins? And this could be actually Solana as well. So altogether, I would try to keep this video short, but altogether, we're looking kind of good signs. And yes, now the Bitcoin dominance is not increasing, but it's slowly a little bit coming down. But we need confirmation. Right now, we're definitely in the Bitcoin season when we're looking at the Bitcoin altcoin season, index. But after a long Bitcoin chapter, always an altcoin chapter is coming. And I believe if Bitcoin can reach new all-time highs and starts to go up higher and higher, this will bring the altcoins, not all of them, but many altcoins with them, with the Bitcoin together going up. And this can, bring interesting things to the market. Sooner or later, we're going to have a rate cut either way. So either Jerome Powell and the Fed. So the Fed is saying that, okay, let's go for it, because they would like to do some rate cuts in the second part of the year. Or, you know, the new person who will replace Jerome Powell will do that in 2026. We're going to see it. But if these kind of news coming out that the Fed is ready to do the rate cuts, that can also bring some boost to the market. So overall, things, I believe, looking good. Right now, we do need patience, but this is just my opinion. I don't know what you think. You can let me know in the comment section. And don't forget, every single day, I'm bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom. So simply subscribe to this YouTube channel if you don't want to miss a single thing. See you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.